Alright guys, we're going to be finishing the part with putting this thing back together. Alright, now put this one on off camera. I put this one on. So it's just simple, just line it up and pop it on. So now let's put this thing back. Let's stick them back together. And let's do that. Stick them back together because we got stuff on the inside there. Okay. Stick them back together. Stack them here. Yeah. Just like so. Okay. Okay. Now we're just gonna screw them back together. Like so. One right here. Right there. And I believe we got one more. After that. Okay. Spin it. We're in here, right? No. Right here. Right there. You know, we got to see that? Right there. That hole. Let's get it. Let's get it. It's lucky. Love that channel. Lucky views and deals. Okay. So now we gotta work on that pesky one on the other side again. Ain't got some weight to it now. Now that everything is loaded onto it, got some more weight to it. This was our heartburn right here. Hopefully I can get this done in this video right here. Hopefully. Let's see. I think we gotta line all of them up in there, there, or there, and there. So I would say that goes like that. And this one goes like that, right? But I gotta worry about the one down here. This the one. Okay. Yeah, let's worry about the one down here. But that one down there is kind of pesky. Okay. Now this one right here. Okay, hold on. Do we have it? No, I don't think we got it. See if we can use this and pull that open and lift that up. See if we can lift that up like that so we can get it into place. Okay, we got it. I think we got it. I think we got it into place. I think that's it, guys. I think we got it. So, let's see. Does this go like this? I think it does. No. No. Oh, Lord. Something ain't right here. Thought we had it. Thought we had it. Thought we had it. This one down here. I think it's the problem now. Okay. Keep you right there where you at. You good. Let's see. think you good. You good. Oh, you good, homie. Oh, you good. This one down here. One down here. I think we're good. I think so. Look at that. We should. If I can't move with my hand, then we're not good. It should be able to move when I do it with my hand. So something we got wrong here. See, it can't move. So, oh, okay. Okay, let's see something. Maybe that one will like that. Okay. Okay. Okay, now we got it right. That's how you do it, see? That's how you do it. Woo, Lord, I thought that was double trouble, baby. Okay. Okay. Now, we should be lined up. Okay, if we're not, we gotta make it lined up, okay? If we're not lined up, we gotta make it line up. Okay, like that. Now, we're good. There you go. Screw it back on, so it'll be on and done. Okay. Don't run. Don't run. Pop smoke. R.I.P. Don't go around. Alright guys, and there you have it. There you have it. We are done. We are done. Let me check this thing and make sure. We are done. We have everything off of it. We are done. Oh, excuse me. I was looking at this stuff, but this stuff goes, I guess, holes and stuff goes on in the dash. When you put the dash back on, everything, that's when this stuff is going to get utilized. Okay, so we got it put back together in this brand new box, looking good. Even that air filter looked good. Yeah, even that looks good. We're good. Clean. Everything's the way it's supposed to be. Now, only thing now, we gotta put it back on, screw it back to the metal part of that dash. But that's gonna be later because we gotta pull that back out the car. We gotta pull this thing back out of here. We gotta pull it back out. We gotta vacuum the sucker out. And we gotta sand all that down up there. Get all that brownness out of here. And we gotta spray some primer on it. Sand the primer down. Then spray some white paint on it. And we're done with, oh no, we gotta put, after we do all that, we gotta put some seam sealer back up under there. Because a lot of that seam sealer gonna melt out. So, gotta put some under there. And as soon as we do all of that, then this sucker will be, once we do that, then we'll get the, what do you call it? Then we'll put that membrane thing back in. Then we'll put, after that, then we'll put the carpet back in. Then we'll put the headliner in. And then we'll put the seats and the Everything back here, yeah. Yeah, we put this in, then the seats and everything, yeah. But we'll put the carpet in before we put this back in. Because I don't want to be sitting all this metal. I want to have some cushion, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You know what I'm saying. But that's that. Okay. That is that. So. That's that piece. So we're putting that in. And then we have, let's see, let's look back here. Let's look back here. Make sure ain't no wasp nest back here that are ready to bite my face off. This is the carpet, guys. We got the carpet in here as well. Wire harness and radio right here and stuff. Dash is under here. See that? That's the dash, ready to go. Yeah. We're gonna get this thing. For sure the inside is gonna be looking good. I can guarantee you that. Inside of this car is gonna be looking immaculate. But problem is under the hood. Once we get all that tied in, some more of the wire harness right there. Well, that's I don't know. That's probably some of the. I don't know. I don't think I'm using that one. That's the old airbox. This piece is still good, actually. This piece right here is still good, but I had the new one, so why use this thing? We have to clean it up, do all kind of cleaning to it, because it's hella dirty. So crap with that piece of junk. And in with the new. Alright guys, I think this will be the end of the video. I'm gonna sit down here for a second. Oh, let this fan blow in my face. Whew, that feels so good. That feels so good. So good. But yeah, we're gonna get this thing looking good, okay? We're gonna get it looking good, okay? Yeah, it's gonna look good. You'll see. This crap is gonna be looking good. Might cost me close to $1,000 to get the computer for it and everything, but I think it'll be worth it. Once I get that, we should be riding around this thing. Let's go back to looking at the inside again. Look like hell on wheels. Look like hell on wheels. Yes, it do. Look like hell on wheels. It's not going to be looking like this for long, though. Give me 3-4 weeks. 3-4 weeks, this car should be looking a lot better than it looks now. That's if I come out here every day to work on it, you know. I got other things to do, but should be in 3 to 4 weeks. Month or so, okay? I'm just gonna say a month or so tops. It'll be looking a lot better. Yep. So guys, that is the end of this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you again when we're back in the yard. Yard 2, not 1. Peace.